This video is for task 1. Task 1 is creating a MeanStack application for the login details, login and sign up and sign in. In this, first I have created, so for MeanStack, MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js, all these are written in the backend code, which is the server folder, and Android application, Angular 6 is the front end. It is written in the client code. If we see the organization of the project, here in the client we have the Angular code, which is a front end code. In the server we have the MongoDB connections. And for running the backend code, we have given npm install. It installs all the modules required that are mentioned in the package.json file. After doing npm install, we have done node app.js. App.js, it starts listening on 3000 port number and it connects to the MongoDB file. So now we can do CRUD operations by connecting to this URL. After that, we have run in the client ng-serve -open. So this starts listening on port number 4200. This is the client side code written in Angular 6. We have specified the MongoDB URL with the DB username, password, and the database name as lab2, and we have specified the schema name as users. In the server, we have the models. In models folder, we have db.js with the connection to the Mongo database. User model, it specifies the schema of the document. And in the API, we have 4 components. One is auth component, shared component, user component, and user profile component. In this app component, we just specified the routes which component need to be displayed. So /user profile redirects to user profile component, /login redirects to user component. In that we have child components like sign in and sign up component. So login returns to sign in component. So going to the demo of the application, in this it will be initially login page will be loaded, which we specified in the code. This is the default code which redirects to the login page. This is the sign up page. Saved successfully. If I give a duplicate, it shows the error. It shows the duplicate email address found. If I don't specify the email correctly, it shows invalid email address. So this is the user profile page. So if we after closing and reopening, it should redirect me to the user profile page instead of the login page. So during this time, it checks whether the JWT token that is stored in the local storage is present or not. If it is present and valid, it redirects the page to the user profile page. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, this is the second task of the lab 2, and we are doing the social login page. For that, we are using Facebook. Here, if you see, we have to go for the developer options. In that, they will ask for the live application. So we have used the app ID and app secret. This one, and then we have to give the privacy policy URL. So we have used the online websites to get the privacy policy URL, and then after that we have to give the SDKs. For that, we have to give the package name and also class name. This key hash is generated randomly. After connection, we are going to the Android. We will connect this to the Firebase also. For this, we have used the tools and we have connected through Firebase. In my application, there are 3 activities: login page, login home, and register activities. Here, the login activity is the main activity. If we run the application, first it shows the login activity because it is the main activity, and then we have used the dependencies. We have used the Facebook dependencies by using the implementation keyword, and also the Firebase. And we have also used the services. After connecting to the Firebase, it will generate a service API. We have to paste that API to this that code to the system, to our application. And going back to the output, after executing it, it will show the login page. As we discussed earlier, it is the main activity. Okay, first go to the Facebook. If we tap Facebook, already I have signed into it. So if I click continue, it will show the details of the email and birthday and the profile pic. And if we click on logout, it will log out. And coming to the register page, it is a normal page, and we can give any name randomly. Shravan@gmail.com, and password, random passwords. And after clicking the register, it will register successfully. And if I take my credentials again, it will show the email address, and this birthday and profile pic won't come because we are taking it from the Firebase. So we didn't connect this one to the Firebase. We have connected the Facebook application directly to the Firebase, and this is our entire application. And thank you.